Hello, dear friends. This is Grandma Jeannie. I am so excited to be in my workshop tonight. I got a present in the mail, a gift, and I'm going to open it here with you. But before I do, I want to say a special hello. My granddaughter has a friend named Tate. My granddaughter said he watches my videos. So I want to say a special hello to Tate and let him know Grandma Jeannie loves you. Okay, let's look at this box. Here it is. Look how big it is. I cannot imagine what she has sent to me. Now, she has become a very good friend of mine through our Dollhouse groups on Facebook. That's how I met her. And she and I have worked on some Dollhouse things together for the last few years, sending information back and forth and tossing around ideas and getting ideas from each other. The other thing that she has been so good about is when she finds some really nice finds on Facebook Marketplace or on eBay, she's really good about letting me know. And I have gotten a couple of lovely, lovely pieces for my collection, thanks to her giving me a heads up. Okay, we're getting so close to seeing what's in here. This is crazy fun and exciting. I'm going to open some of these little packages up so you can see every cute thing that's in here. Oh my goodness, what a treasure box full of items. I'm just going to highlight a few of these. We're going to start with the Florida room. This is the extension that came with some of the Marks and Mansions from the 1950s. This one's in excellent condition. These rooms are somewhat rare. They're a lot of times missing from the houses. There's a whole bag of dollhouse babies and children, and there's even a Renoir father, a couple of them in there. What a treasure. There's some other little baby dolls here. Now these are a little bit newer, but they're still a nice scale for the dollhouses. There's a couple of washing machines, a small dollhouse back in here, a Christmas tree, lots of little pieces and parts. She knows that I'm the pieces and parts lady for dollhouses. And I try to find these when I see them available, and either I use them in my houses or I pass them on to other people that need them. And so she's got a chimney here. I'm kind of the chimney lady. Again, I will use that or pass that on to someone else. This chimney had a bracket there, and it had a little old-fashioned TV antenna on it. Now, the antenna is not here, but those are available as replacements. There's a few other replacement parts here that are just treasures. Somebody needs these and is looking for them, and she knows I am just the person to help get those to the right home. And here's a bunch of little babies. These are incubator covers. Her husband was so skilled and actually made those from scratch, and they're very, very highly coveted in our dollhouse world. So many treasures. A fence, a bunch of other miniatures, the original Marx family on their card. I am so appreciative. Our dollhouse people are the most generous, the nicest people in the world, and this lady has become a very good friend of mine. She means the world to me. She recently did a big downsizing of her dollhouse collection, and she and I kind of talked through that, tossed some ideas around with each other, and she found a wonderful home for her dollhouses, and I am so happy for her, and I think she's been very generous with the people that ended up with those, as well as the some of her leftover parts that she shared with me. So I want you to know Grandma Jeannie loves you, and Grandma Jeannie loves her very much. Thank you.